Hello everybody and welcome back to Average Joe's Garage. Today I want to take you on a little trip. When I did this front end swap, my fog lights didn't work. And I messed with it. I'm going to show you guys what I found out. Now we take a look in here. There you can see the connector. Poorly, but you can see it. Now the problem that I'm having is that in an RT, those wires are where they're supposed to be in that connector. But for the round fog lights and the SRTs and Daytonas, those wires need to be flopped. They're backwards. So the lights won't turn on because you're running the power the wrong way. And the LED has reverse polarity protection. So let's see how you fix this. Anyways, there's a connector. As you can see, the black wire is the ground, the white and orange stripe is the positive. Now they need to be flopped. So when it's plugged in, which the plug sits like this in this light, the black wire has to be on top. To do that, see if I can get a good shot of it, right there in that yellow connector cap, you can see that it's blue. You put your screwdriver in there and you just pry that off, which I'll do here momentarily. So see, that comes off. As you can see now, the yellow connector is now gone. Oh, you can't really see it, but there's like a plastic pin right there on the side. You just pry it out, and the plug pulls out. Let's see if I can show you this here. And out comes the weather pack terminal. So anyways, there you go. The connector's out. Little plastic locking tabs are right in the side. So anyways, right there you can see that black clip in the middle of the connector. You just slide the terminals back up there till they click. And now you can see that the wires are inverted. All we have to do is take our yellow plastic piece, find the notch, it goes this side, pop it back together. That's it. Now we just open up the fender a little bit. As you can see right there, plug her in. Black wire is now on top. Slide the lock forward. Done. And there you have it. You just button this back up. By the way, these little pliers right here for pulling apart these pins, worth every penny. 30 bucks. Well worth it. They pop these little plastic rivet things right apart like you wouldn't believe. Makes things a whole lot easier. As you can see, I haven't figured this part out yet, but that's besides the point. So now all that's left is turn the fog lights on. Make sure that they work. Fog lights that work. So that was the issue I ran into. So until next time, Average Joe's out.
Please like, subscribe, comment, and even hit the bell for notifications if you'd like to see more from Average Joe's Garage.